is this dude calling me for? Dude, it's 2 in the morning. What do you want?
You did, just a question. How do I get my grades up?
By doing your work?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you just started actually doing your work. You still have a ton of missing assignments.
Yeah, I did them.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
See, you just have bad grades. Dude, I started once.
You just said no, I don't know.
I fucking hate this guy, man.